YouTube, it's the Bam again, and I'm opening up another monster truck. This is probably going to be a duplicate, so if not, you'll see this whole video. If not, you won't see this video. So there are 5 surprise monster trucks unboxing, unbox, build, battle, and race. Set knife. And these are the ones that I've opened so far, right here.
Shark's coming to help.
It's because it's not really sitting on an even plane. Make sure you're not getting me in the shot. Okay, so hope for no duplicate. There's our checklist. And let's see. Well, we may not have got a duplicate. Let's see. Nope. It looks like we got an old car. I'm not sure what it is. Then you got your brush guards, your chassis, your rear brush. It looks like some nitro tanks or gas tanks. And then we have our, make sure you're getting this.
I am.
Our wheels. This should be the other set of wheels. Nope, this is the weapon. Oop. The weapon. And then in the last one should be the last set of wheels.
Phantom Fear.
Phantom Fear. So, now what you do is you take your chassis, you take your wheels, pop your wheels in, then you're to that point. Then you take your body, put your body in these little holes. Then you're to that point. Then you take your brush guard and make sure that the little tabs line up. Shark, stay over there. Then you take your gun and you put it in there like that. Then you put this in there. It locks in, and that one don't fire that far, but you get the idea. Let's try it one more time. Ooh, that went far. So, there you go. Have a good evening.